movie night. I love movie night.
Me too. I want it to be cozy.
That is a lot of things to plug in.
Popcorn maker, big TV, and a heater.
And a lamp and your phone charger.
I want everything ready for the movie.
Where will you plug them all in?
This one power strip, it has 6 spots.
All of them in one strip?
It should be fine.
I am not so sure.
Popcorn is almost ready. Sit down.
Okay, the movie is starting.
This is going to be a great night.
Pass the popcorn, please.
Here you go. Enjoy the show.
Turn up the heater. I am a little cold.
Okay, more heat coming up.
Wait, the lights just flickered.
I saw that too.
There it goes again.
And now,
Everything is off.
the TV, the lights, all of it.
It is so dark in here.
I cannot see anything.
Do not move. You will trip.
Is the whole city out?
I do not know.
We were right in the best part.
Let's find some light first.
Good idea, but where?
Use your phone for light.
Got it. A little glow.
I keep candles in this drawer.
You always know where things are.
I like to be ready. Here, matches.
There. Now I can see your face.
Let's think. Is it just our house?
How can we tell?
We check the breaker box.
The breaker box in the garage, right?
Yes. Bring a candle and follow me.
You are good at this.
My dad taught me.
Lead the way.
Careful on the step.
Right behind you.
Here is the breaker box.
There are so many switches.
One is in the middle. See it?
Yes, it is not like the others.
That one tripped. Push it back.
Okay, push there.
The lights are back on.
So it was just our house?
Just our breaker.
But why did it trip?
The heater, the TV, the popcorn maker.
All on one power strip.
Too much for one little circuit.
So that was my fault.
Just unplug the heater. We are fine.
Done. Let's finish our movie.
The movie is back on.
See? All fixed.
Wait, the lights flickered again.
But I unplugged the heater.
It is not the heater this time.
Then what is it?
Look out the window.
The street lights are off.
Every house is dark.
The whole street is out.
This time it is not us.
It is a real blackout.
So now we really cannot watch the movie.
What do we do?
Let's go outside and see.
With our candles.
Look, the neighbors are all outside.
Everyone has a flashlight.
Look up. So many stars.
We never see stars in the city.
The lights are off, so they are bright.
A blackout is not so bad.
Let's sit on the porch with our candles.
And finish the popcorn out here.
So, what did you learn today?
Do not put everything on one strip.
And?
And you always know what to do.
This is better than the movie.
Way better.
and no plug needed.